Have you ever jumped off a step and landed softly on the ground? That's gravity at work, an invisible force pulling you towards the Earth. Gravity is everywhere, holding us to the planet, keeping our atmosphere from escaping, and even dictating the motion of planets around the sun. It's a constant companion, shaping our world in profound ways. Imagine a basketball spinning on your fingertip. Gravity acts like your finger, keeping Earth in its orbit around the sun. Without it, our planet would drift off into the vastness of space. But what exactly is gravity? It's a force of attraction between any two objects with mass. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. That's why we feel Earth's gravity so strongly, but not the pull of a book on a table. Think of a large magnet attracting small metal objects. Similarly, Earth's massive size exerts a strong gravitational pull on everything on and around it. This force keeps us grounded, gives objects weight, and influences the tides. Now imagine if gravity took a sudden break, even for just 1 second. What would happen? The immediate effects would be dramatic, though thankfully short-lived. Remember that spinning basketball? Without your finger, it would fly off in a straight line. Similarly, Earth would momentarily veer off its orbital path. Everything not firmly anchored to the ground would momentarily experience weightlessness. People would lift off the ground, objects would float, and the oceans would start to rise, momentarily freed from gravity's grip. It would be a scene straight out of a science fiction movie. Thankfully, gravity would return after that 1 second. Objects would fall back to Earth, the oceans would settle, and our planet would resume its orbit around the sun. However, the brief interruption could have lasting consequences. The sudden shift in Earth's orbit might trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The temporary disruption of tides could cause coastal flooding. The universe too would feel the effects of gravity's brief hiatus. Stars would momentarily expand, galaxies would lose their shape, and black holes might even burp out some of their captured matter. The delicate balance of the cosmos would be temporarily thrown into disarray. The good news is, this scenario is highly unlikely. Gravity is a fundamental force of nature, and its sudden disappearance is purely hypothetical. Yet, this thought experiment helps us appreciate the profound influence of this invisible force that shapes our universe and our everyday lives.